Ever tell you what happened yesterday?
No.
So he did it.
No, what a fool.
She's needing a lot of help. You know, like I told you, she would work a little bit better with us. But yeah, like with this family, you know, she boom. So she was needing a lot of help, you know. Okay, let's go over this. So you can do it when she's sitting.
Here, take this one. I get another one. Okay. He's in trouble.
All right, Mary. Since you're going home, you're gonna do these exercises when you go home, okay? Okay. You have strength in your legs. You don't want to lose the strength there. You want to get better, okay? So first exercise, let's do the ankle pumps first. Toes up, heels up. Yeah, you're gonna do 20 times. If you have ankle weights, you can also use ankle weights, like 2 pounds. You should be able to tolerate that.
Okay.
Okay, 2 pounds on each leg. I can drive.
You can drive?
You can drive. Then let's go. Starbucks.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so 20 times. Toes up, heels up. Toes up, heels up. Nah, like that. Doing good. Keep going. 10 more.
Shoot.
Fifteen. Toes up now. Toes up. 19. And one more.
Yay.
Easy, right? Okay. Next, we're gonna. So have you noticed she's sitting up better in the chair? So yeah. All right. Next, we're gonna do this first exercise here. Going out and in. So this is with the TheraBand. Let's give you a harder. So yellow is the easiest. Okay. I think she's past that already. Let's straighten your legs. So I'm gonna use this one.
You got strong legs, right, Mom?
Okay.
Legs are
bring it in
strong.
first. I'm gonna tie it. Okay. I'm gonna tie it. Okay, bring your feet together. Okay, now this one you go out like this. Yeah, 1, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8. Out more. 9, 10, 11, 12. Out more. 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, good. Okay. Next we're gonna do, so that's easy, right? Okay. Next we're gonna do bending. You're gonna pull this back 20 times. Okay, go. Pull it back as much as you can. More. You can make it more like this. 1, 2. So you're just steady here. Okay? 3, 4. Let her bend more as much as you can. Mary, can you pull it back more as much as you can? 6,
Oh, a little
7,
baby.
8. More. Go. 9, 10. Slowly, slowly. 11, 12. Pull it more. 13, 14, very good. Keep going. 15, pull it back more. 16, 17, pull it more. 18, 19, 20. Okay, more, as much as you can. Going down more. Okay, now we'll do the other leg. Okay, now go, then pull it back as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it more. 8. Like that. 9. More. Go. Keep going. 10. Use your muscles more. 11, 12, 13, 14. Keep going. 15, 16. There you go. 17. See, she can do it. 18, 19. More. 20. Okay, good job.
That's even hard over here. I'm doing it by myself. Let's go.
Okay, so that's the second exercise. Next, we're gonna do the marching. Okay? So marching, but with TheraBand. Okay, lift it up again. Gonna put the TheraBand here. So for resistance, so this is if you don't have ankle weight, so you can use the TheraBand for resistance. So you have to march in this leg. Alternate. 1, as high as you can. 2, 3, good job. 4, good. 5, higher. 6,
Jessica said, get it, Mom. Work your legs.
7.
Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Higher.
I'm doing them. Look.
Come on.
Ready? Right leg.
10, 11. Higher on the left leg. Higher. I know you can raise it up higher. Yeah, like that. See? You can
can't
do
tell
it.
her nothing.
So encourage her to do big movements like higher, more. 13, higher.
You should have heard it when I had to go to the bathroom. I said,
Yeah.
I said, well, I'm going to go.
Mm-hmm.
You're the one that's going to the bathroom. She said, you go by yourself.
Okay. 5 more. 16. As high as you can. Good job. 17. 18. 19. Come on, higher. And 20.
Woo.
Good job. See? Okay. And she's not gonna do it only 20 times. She needs to do more than that. Like
Maybe a
another
couple
set.
times a day.
So like 2 sets of 20
Okay.
or 3 sets of 15. Okay? 2 sets of 20 or 3 sets of 15. Yeah. So when I mean set, have her do like 1 set and then rest and then do another set. Kind of like press it. Now this one is the kick. So for the kick, yeah. Yeah, we can do it like this. Normally, I would have her like, you sit over here. Here, lift up your foot, man. So, put your foot down. I just step on this one. That way she can kick. That way you don't have to lean forward. You'll make it easier, okay? So pick up, lift it up, kick. As high as you can. 1. There you go. And then down. Slowly. Slowly as you go down. Again. 2. Down. Again. 3. As high as you can. 4. 5. 6. 7. We're almost done, Michelle. 8. 9. Wow, what's that? 11. Keep going, higher. 12. 13.
We're here on time today.
14. 15. Higher, man. 16. 17.
Because I know that you have to pick up your
19. 20. Easy, right?
Awesome.
I mean, but you can see she's using her muscles. She has the strength there, okay? Here. So I think I'll just give you the red TheraBand. She
Okay.
doesn't need the yellow. Yellow is too easy,
Okay.
okay? I think this is the best TheraBand for her at this time, okay? And once she gets better, you can ask the home health, to give you different one, okay? Pick it up, ma'am. Just this
Ooh,
leg.
that one harder.
Like kick my hand. Come on. Yeah, she has strength there.
There you go.
1. If she can walk like that, like it means she has strength. Okay, 2, 3, good job. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, higher. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, higher, 18, 19, one more, 20, good job. How's that? Easy, right? Okay. Now the last one, I don't have a pillow, but you can use a pillow in between the
Okay.
knees or a ball that's deflated, and then you just need to squeeze
They-
it.
exactly like that.
And then she needs to hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then relax.
Okay.
That's for her thigh muscles. Okay, so that's this exercise, ma'am.
Okay.
She can do it sitting. She doesn't need, she can do it laying down or sitting. Sitting is okay too. I'm gonna put sitting here. So these are 20 times 2 sets. So these are all 20 times 2 sets. 20 times 2 sets. This is everyday one, okay?
Okay.
Because
It better
she
be
doesn't
every
do
day, Mama.
much, so, and this is gonna be with red TheraBand. Okay. Red TheraBand. This is the red TheraBand. So I'm gonna give it all to you. Okay.
I remember,
So for the arm, I don't know if Ali or Chris is gonna give her exercise for that.
Okay. Is that it for here?
Did she have a Thera exercise already?
No.
For the arms?
Mm-mm.
I can ask Chris to give her TheraBand.
Okay.
so what are you doing? What are you doing?
Say bye, Mom.
Bye, Mama.
Bye. Oh, not yet? Not yet. Don't say bye yet. Say hi. I think Jessica was watching you work out and Angie was watching you work out. They said, go, Mom.
Okay, pick up your foot, put it up there.
What's it?
The right foot. Put it on the, yeah. Like that. Okay, you can lift it up. Now this one. There you go. Then try to lean forward. And then scoot back. So this arm, you know, you can move this arm, right? You have movement there. You can move it. Okay? Put it up here. Okay, you want me to scoot you back a little
Oh,
bit?
she scooted a little bit.
Yeah, I'll scoot her back a little bit. Lean forward, ma'am. Lean forward.
Okay.
That way you're sitting up straighter. Here, I'm gonna pull you from, those are shorts. It's
What?
all the way up there.
Well, it's gone.
It's down here.
No, it's not number. Look,
There.
see?
Okay.
Where the heck is it?
So I'll give her this one.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. So
Thank
for, yeah, so good luck tomorrow. Okay, so for car transfer, I already taught
What do you mean,
son
good
how
luck
to-
tomorrow?
You're leaving tomorrow. You're going home.
Going home tomorrow.
Oh, that's right.
So she needs to pick her up, and then put her in the car, and then bring the legs there.
Okay.
Okay, so she's gonna be in the wheelchair, and then. But I showed the son, his your brother
Yeah.
also, like how she walks. I told him not to make her walk with him because he's not like trained to do that. She does good with me because I know how to give her cues. I know how to. So yeah. But hopefully with they can continue strengthening her arm to where she can walk again. You know,
Okay.
because she can walk, but you have to help her.
Yeah.
You know, use her hand there, put her hand there. Otherwise, it's gonna drop. Okay.
Okay.
On the walker, and then she has a tendency to just try to sit down. So yeah, that's why it's not safe for you all.
Okay.
It's not safe for you all to do that. Okay? Me, I know that I can tell when I touch her, like when she's gonna sit. Sleepy, keep talking, right?
You gonna miss Lelaine, Mom? We'll have her go to the house with us.
You live
She's-
here in San Antonio?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't know. What do you mean? You wanna give them exercise?
Yeah,
Some exercise.
We're gonna. We're gonna do a craft. We're gonna do a craft.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Martin.